Welcome to Future Frame AI, where technology meets justice. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic: how AI is changing the legal system. With innovations popping up everywhere, it's important to understand their impact on our daily lives. AI is stepping into the legal world, streamlining processes and helping us make sense of complex cases. Imagine police using AI to analyze trends in crime, allowing them to focus their efforts where they matter most. This is predictive policing in action, and it's already helping communities feel safer by acting on data rather than just instincts. In the courtroom, AI tools analyze evidence faster than any human can. They sift through mountains of documents, highlighting the crucial bits that might sway a case. This speeds up trials and makes the whole process much more efficient. But it's not all smooth sailing. While AI brings undeniable benefits, we must be cautious about issues like bias in data. It raises important questions about fairness in our justice system. So, how do you feel about AI's role in shaping the future of justice? Let's keep this conversation going. Like this video, subscribe, tap the bell to stay informed about how AI is changing justice. The legal system, often criticized for its sluggishness, complexity, and high costs, faces challenges that impact timely justice. It can feel like a maze, a frustrating journey for those seeking resolution. In this evolving landscape, technology is poised to redefine how legal processes are conducted, and that's where artificial intelligence comes into play. AI is making waves in the legal domain, like a fresh breeze in a stuffy room. By tapping into big data and leveraging predictive analytics, AI tools can sift through mountains of information at lightning speed. This capability enables faster case assessments and helps lawyers make well-informed decisions, making the whole process feel a bit less overwhelming. What's exciting is the real benefits AI brings to the table. It enhances speed and accuracy, reducing the workload for busy legal professionals. Think of automated document review and intelligent legal research working seamlessly together, paving the way for a more efficient workflow. These advancements not only save valuable time, but also promote fairness by reducing human bias, ensuring justice is more accessible for everyone. As AI continues to evolve, we can look forward to a transformative impact on the legal system. The future holds the promise of a more efficient, equitable, and transparent justice system, benefiting society as a whole. Let's embrace this change. It's time to make justice work better for everyone. Imagine a world where technology helps keep communities safer. That's the idea behind predictive policing, where advanced AI comes into play. This innovative system crunches vast amounts of historical crime data to spot patterns and correlations that we, as humans, might miss. So how does this AI magic really work? Well, it dives into previous crime statistics, analyzing details like when and where crimes happened and what types occurred. With all this information, the AI paints a picture of potential future crime hotspots, helping law enforcement be a step ahead in protecting communities. Now let's talk about the benefits. One major perk of predictive policing is the boost in efficiency for police departments. With its forecasts, officers can smartly allocate their resources, ensuring they patrol areas at higher risk of crime. It's all about stopping crime before it starts and making our neighborhoods safer. However, it's important to look at the other side of the coin. Predictive policing has faced criticism too. Many highlight concerns that it could reinforce biases found in the data, leading to over-policing of certain communities. This raises ethical questions about our privacy and civil liberties that we can't ignore. In modern law enforcement, facial recognition technology has emerged as a powerful tool, enabling officers to identify suspects in real time through advanced algorithms and databases. This means that when a crime occurs, the police can use cameras and AI to match faces quickly, potentially catching culprits on the spot. This technology has its advantages, allowing for quicker arrests, and enhancing public safety by helping police solve crimes more efficiently in an increasingly complex landscape. Imagine a world where justice can be delivered faster, keeping our communities safer. Sounds great, right? However, the effectiveness of facial recognition raises significant ethical concerns. Studies have shown that these systems can exhibit bias, especially against individuals of color, which can lead to false matches and wrongful accusations. The implications of relying on such technology can seriously impact lives, highlighting issues that go beyond mere technology. As we ponder the role of facial recognition in law enforcement, it's vital to consider both the potential benefits and the moral dilemmas it presents. Policymakers must ensure transparency and accountability in its use. Join the conversation by sharing your thoughts on balancing technological advancement with civil liberties and fairness in our justice system. As we stroll through a busy city, AI-enhanced cameras are quietly observing. They track our movements, all in the name of safety and crime prevention. This technology, once a thing of sci-fi movies, is now part of our everyday landscape. Imagine this: detectives receiving alerts about suspicious behavior before anything happens. AI analyzes patterns and identifies potential threats in real time, giving law enforcement a head start on keeping communities safe. We've heard stories where quick action based on these insights stopped crimes before they escalated, making us feel a bit more secure as we go about our day. But hold on, is this level of monitoring going too far? As we navigate this high-tech world, many of us are starting to wonder about privacy. Some community members are raising concerns that constant surveillance feels intrusive. How far should we go for safety? Finding the right balance between security and our personal freedoms is crucial. So what do you think? It's time to reflect on how we want our future to look with AI surveillance. Are we comfortable with this? The judicial system is evolving, integrating advanced technology to enhance decision-making processes. One significant development is the use of AI tools for assessing reoffending risk. Imagine a judge sitting at their bench, relying on data-driven insights rather than gut feelings alone. That's where AI comes into play. These AI algorithms analyze massive amounts of data, including criminal history and behavioral patterns. They look for risk factors that could indicate whether someone might reoffend. This helps judges make informed decisions about things like bail and parole, ensuring they're not just relying on intuition. One of the biggest perks of using AI in this context is the boost in consistency and objectivity. It reduces human bias, which is crucial for fairness. Plus, these tools can deliver information much faster than traditional methods, enabling quicker decisions. It really supports the goal of creating a data-driven approach in sentencing that strives for safety in the community. However, it's not without challenges. AI tools can sometimes raise concerns about accuracy and fairness. Some critics point out that relying too heavily on algorithms might lead to biases. That's why it's crucial for the judicial system to be very intentional about how these tools are implemented. As we navigate these advancements, finding the right balance between technology's benefits and its ethical implications will be vital for achieving a just legal system. In this exciting era of legal technology, AI-powered chatbots and natural language processing tools are making waves. They're not just for tech enthusiasts. These tools are here to enhance public access to legal advice. When you think about it, AI legal assistants are like friendly guides in an often intimidating world. They work to democratize access to justice, enabling everyday people to get vital information and support without burning a hole in their wallets. Imagine being able to understand your rights or draft a will with a few clicks. How cool is that? These chatbots can walk you through processes like filing small claims, making the whole legal landscape feel a whole lot more navigable. Yet, it's important to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. Concerns linger about accuracy, privacy, and the risk of receiving incomplete advice. As we embrace these innovations, it's crucial to consider their impact on fairness and safety in the legal system. So I pose a question to you. Do you think AI will bring more justice or possibly lead to danger? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. If you found this insight valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Future Frame AI. Tap that bell so you never miss an update. As technology evolves, law firms are embracing AI to enhance efficiency in their evidence review processes. This innovation is transforming how legal professionals approach document analysis. Can you imagine sifting through mountains of paperwork by hand? Traditionally, lawyers face the daunting task of sorting through thousands of documents and videos. This time-consuming process could take weeks or even months, often leading to missed crucial evidence and delayed legal proceedings. Enter AI. These incredible tools can quickly analyze vast amounts of data, identifying key pieces of evidence in the blink of an eye. By utilizing smart algorithms, they can pinpoint documents based on what really matters, allowing attorneys to focus on their strategies instead of getting lost in endless searches. This shift to AI-driven document review not only saves time, but also boosts accuracy. Legal teams can confidently build stronger cases, ensuring that no vital evidence goes unnoticed in their quest for justice. As AI technology continues to advance, it's exciting to think about how it will reshape the future of law and evidence review. In today's legal landscape, Courtroom Analytics is becoming a game changer. Imagine a world where artificial intelligence dives deep into the sea of previous court rulings, uncovering patterns and insights that can make or break a case. It's not just about studying the law, it's about using data to predict outcomes and optimize trial strategies. AI meticulously examines past decisions, sifting through information to find trends that legal professionals might overlook. This technology helps attorneys shape their arguments based on what has worked before in similar cases. It's like having a crystal ball that guides them, offering a strategic advantage in the courtroom. But there's more. AI also plays a crucial role in detecting bias within our legal system. By analyzing disparities in ruling patterns based on demographics or case types, it promotes fairness and transparency. As we look to the future, the potential for AI in guiding trial strategies and supporting a just legal process is immense. Courtroom Analytics is not just a tool, it's paving the way for a more equitable judicial system. In legal practice, research is crucial, and it can be quite a daunting task. Thankfully, AI is stepping in to make things a lot easier. Imagine having a powerful assistant at your fingertips, working tirelessly to find relevant legal precedents in a matter of seconds. That's the magic of AI, especially through natural language processing, or NLP. So what exactly is NLP? It's the technology that helps computers understand human language. In legal research, NLP analyzes case law and legal documents to find the important details that law professionals are looking for. Instead of sifting through stacks of paper, lawyers can quickly uncover the information they need, ensuring they do their job efficiently. Platforms like CaseText and LexisNexis are leading the charge in this tech revolution. They offer tools that analyze texts, providing immediate access to relevant cases based on the specifics of a situation. This means more time building strategies and less time buried in paperwork. AI isn't just a futuristic concept, it's changing the legal landscape today, helping lawyers work smarter and achieve better outcomes for their clients. The future of law has never looked so promising. Picture this. Contract reviews can be tedious, right? Enter AI, the game changer for legal teams everywhere. It's like having an extra set of sharp eyes that never tires. AI dives into contracts, analyzing every line and recognizing potential risks that we might miss. How does it work? Well, AI scans contracts at lightning speed, identifying patterns and flagging discrepancies. It spots compliance issues and alerts the team before they become bigger problems. It's like having a safety net, ensuring everything is up to snuff. And guess what? It saves legal teams tons of hours. Instead of spending days poring over paper, they can now focus on more strategic tasks that truly require human insight. Imagine turning weeks of manual review into mere hours. That's pretty amazing. But it doesn't stop there. The accuracy of AI makes a big difference too. It significantly reduces the chances of human error, helping to ensure important clauses aren't overlooked. Looking ahead, the future of AI in legal work is bright. Embracing this technology can transform practices and boost efficiency like never before. In today's prisons, artificial intelligence is making a real difference. It's helping to create a safer environment for both inmates and staff. Imagine a system that not only watches over the prison, but also learns from the behaviors of the inmates. That's what AI is doing. It keeps an eye on everything happening and helps predict potential issues before they escalate. These AI systems constantly monitor inmate activities using advanced surveillance and behavioral data. By analyzing this information, they can detect any unusual behavior right away. It's like having a digital assistant dedicated to improving life inside the walls, spotting the early signs of trouble. But it doesn't stop there. AI also predicts possible conflicts by looking at patterns in interactions. If it senses rising tensions, prison staff can step in before things get out of hand, ensuring everyone's safety. Ultimately, AI isn't just about security. It's about transforming how prisons operate and improving outcomes for everyone involved. The future of corrections looks promising. The rise of AI technology in our legal systems brings up some important questions, especially about ethics. Are these systems truly fair? They can sometimes show bias, which could lead to unfair outcomes. And that leads us to a big question. Who's responsible when AI gets it wrong? Algorithms often learn from existing data, which can unfortunately carry biases. So when a biased decision is made, we have to ask ourselves, who is accountable? Is it the developers who built the AI, the users who applied it, or the algorithms themselves? This tricky situation is crucial for ensuring justice in our legal outcomes. Then we have privacy issues. AI often needs huge amounts of personal data to function, and protecting individual privacy in this context is a delicate matter. How do we keep sensitive information safe while still making the most of AI's quick and efficient processing? Finally, when AI makes a legal mistake, responsibility can become pretty murky. Figuring out whether it's the programmer, the law firm, or the tech to blame is key to maintaining trust in our justice system. As AI continues to evolve, talking about these ethical and legal challenges is essential. By having open conversations among tech experts, lawyers, and the public, we can work towards a future where AI supports justice without sacrificing our core values. New laws are emerging around the globe to guide how AI can be used ethically in our justice systems. As technology advances, so too does the conversation about its impact on fairness and justice. Countries are stepping up to put regulations in place that help ensure AI doesn't lead us astray. For instance, nations like Canada and the European Union are drafting laws aimed at creating guidelines for transparency and accountability. These new regulations focus on critical points like preventing bias in algorithms and building systems that people can trust. Imagine a world where technology helps judges make fairer decisions. But with all this potential comes hurdles. Implementing these laws isn't as easy as it sounds. The rapid pace of AI development and differences in how nations approach regulations complicate matters. It's a key moment for everyone involved in the discussion, lawmakers, tech developers, and everyday citizens, to come together. So let's stay informed and engaged about the unfolding of these essential regulations. It's our justice, and we all deserve a fair system. As we wrap up today's exploration, let's reflect on the significant intersections of artificial intelligence and the legal field. It's been quite a journey, hasn't it? We discussed predictive policing, where law enforcement uses data analysis to anticipate crime. This practice raises important questions about privacy and civil liberties, alongside the promise of increased safety for communities. It's a double-edged sword that we need to navigate carefully. Next, we covered risk assessments used in courts, diving into how algorithms attempt to predict whether someone might reoffend. While the idea is to enhance fairness in sentencing, we must consider the potential biases that can be embedded within these systems. Nobody wants to unfairly label individuals. Then we explored the transformative impact of AI legal assistance and research tools. These innovations are streamlining tasks for lawyers, but they also prompt discussions about how job roles in the legal field might change in the future. Participants learned about AI's role in contract review and inmate monitoring, emphasizing how these tools boost efficiency while also raising ethical dilemmas about autonomy and human oversight. We need to keep our values front and center. Finally, we examined crucial issues regarding ethics and oversight as we look toward the future of AI in law. Continuous dialogue is essential to ensuring justice and fairness in how we apply technology. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe.